AMS. Today in this video I will solve 8 math problem. This problem belongs to a quadratic equation. I will solve this quadratic equation by using factorization method. These equations are simple but tricky. So let's begin our video. So our first given question is x squared plus 7x plus 12. You can see that this 12x is the C of a quadratic equation. It has plus sign. It means that this b of a quadratic equation or of this quadratic equation will break into the same sign, or the addition will perform over here. Or for the simple words, I will break this 7x into two parts, whose sum will be equal to this 7x and whose product will be equal to the product of this x and this this 12 and this x square, which will be equal to 12. So in order to get the factor, first we will break this x into the two factors. This will be x and x. Now I will break this 12 into the two parts. First will be 3 and second will be 4. Now when I will multiply this x with this 4, it will be equal to 4x, and when I will multiply this x with 3, it will be equal to 3x. So I can write this equation as x square plus 3x plus 4x plus 12. This x square remains same, but this 7x now is plus 3x plus 4x, means this is the factor of 7x. Now this 12x remains same. You can see that when I will multiply this 3 and 4, it will be equal to the product of these two values, which is 12. And when I will add these two values, this will be equal to 7x. Now I will divide this equation into two groups. First is this one and second is this one. So now I will take common first x from this group, then x plus 3 will be the remainder. Now I will take common 4 from this group, then x plus 3 will be the remainder. Now I will take x plus 3 common from this expression, then x plus 4 will be the remainder. This is the factor x plus 3 and x plus 4 for this equation. Now our next given equation is 2x square minus 15x plus 25. You can see that this is the C of a quadratic equation. It has sign plus. So it means that this b will be break into the same sign. It means that I can write this equation as 2x square minus 10x minus 5x plus 25. At minus 10 and minus 5, it will be equal to minus 15, and when I will multiply 10 into 5, it will be equal to 50. This product will be equal to 2 into 25, which is also equal to 50. Now I will divide this expression into two groups. First is this one and second is this one. Now I will take common 2x from this group, then x minus 5 will be the remainder, and then I will take common minus 5 from this group. X minus 5 will be the remainder. Now I will take common x minus 5 from this expression. 2x minus 5 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now our next equation is x square minus x minus 10 minus 110. So you can see that this minus 110 is the C of a quadratic equation. It means that we will break this x in the opposite sign. How? I can write this equation as x square minus 11x plus 10x. It means that when this x will divide into two parts or into two factors, and when I will add that two factor or these two factors, it will be equal to minus x, means subtraction will perform over here. When I will minus 10x, minus 11x from plus 10x, then I will get minus x, and minus 110 will remain same. Now I will divide this equation into two equal parts. First is this one and this 1. Now when I will take common x from this group, then x minus 11 will be the remainder, and I will take plus 10 common from this group, then x minus 11 will be the remainder. Now I will take 1x minus 11 from this expression, then x plus 10 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now our next given equation is x square plus x minus 12. This is the C of a quadratic equation. It has minus sign. It means that this x will break into the opposite sign. So I can write above equation as x square plus 4x minus 3x minus 12. 4 minus 3 equal to x, and 4 into 3 equal to 12. So I will divide this equation into the two groups. First is this one and second is this one. I will take common first x from this group. So x plus 4 will be the remainder, and I will take minus 3 from this group. Then x plus 4 will be the remainder. Now I will take x plus 4 common from this expression. Then x minus 3 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now our next equation is x square plus 14x plus 48. C has a plus sign. This way will be break into the same sign. So I can write this equation as x square plus 8x plus 6x plus 48. X square same, 48 will remain same, but this 14x will turn into 8x plus 6x. Okay, now divide this expression into the two groups. I will take common x from this group, then x plus 8 will be the remainder, and take common plus 6 from this group, then x plus 8 will be the remainder. Now I will take common x plus 8 from this expression, then x plus 6 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now our next equation is x square minus 21x plus 108. C of a quadratic equation has a plus sign. It means that this minus 21 will break into the same sign. So I can write this equation as x square minus 12x minus 9x plus 108. 108 same, x square is same before, but this minus 21x now minus 12x and minus 9x. So now I will divide this expression into the two groups. First group is this one and second is this one. Now take common x from this group, then x minus 12 will be the remainder. Take common minus 9 from this group, x minus 12 will be the remainder. Now take common x minus 12 from this expression, common, then x minus 9 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now our next question is x square minus 11x minus 42. The C of a quadratic equation has a negative sign. It means that this b will break into the opposite sign. So I can write this equation as x square minus 14x plus 3x minus 42. X square remains same, minus 42 remains same, but this 11x will turn into minus 14x plus 3x. 14 minus 3 equal to 11x. So I will divide this expression into the two groups. First is this one, second is this one. I will take common x from this group. X minus 14 will be the remainder. I will take 3 common from this group plus 3 from this group, then x minus 14 will be the remainder. Now I will take common x minus 14 common from this expression, then x plus 3 will be the remainder. This is the factor for this equation. Now the last equation is 3x square minus 10x plus 8. You can see that the C of a quadratic equation has a plus sign. It means that this 10 will be break into the same sign. So I can write this equation as 3x square minus 6x minus 4x and plus 8. 3x square and plus 8 will remain same as before, but this 10 will change into minus 6x minus 4x. Now I will divide this expression into the two groups. First group is 3x square minus 6x and second group is 4x plus 8. Now I will take common first from this group. So I will take 3x common from this group, then x minus 2 will be the remainder. Now I will take common minus 4 from this group, x minus 2 will be the remainder. Now I will take common x minus 2 from this group, then 3x minus 4 will be the remainder, and this is the factor of this equation. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.